What is going on, Rocket Lab investors? So we are at $28.74. This is absolutely crazy. To be up $3.78 in one day essentially is really, really awesome. I honestly didn't expect us to hit the $28 range again so fast, but it kind of looks like we're being harvested for money, which I'll go over in a minute, because there's no real rhyme or reason why it went up. Some people say that it's due to the SpaceX launch, but I don't think so. I think investment firms are kind of pumping up the price, getting people to invest in. They're taking their profits, and that's why we're starting to see this gradual increase and then decrease without any news. But the whole market is up, so it could be due to another company. Like if you look at Intuitive Machines, we're up to 21.89. So overall, a great sign for Rocket stock. So I just wanted to go over a recap of 2024. So in 2024, Rocket Lab shares soared 361%. And that doesn't happen often if you invest in a stock. So I'm lucky to be one of the early investors investing around at the $4 to $5 range. So if this happened to you, you hit the lottery, plain and simple. We don't have this happen often. It's very rare. A lot of people think that this happens all the time, but it just doesn't. Going from a $2 billion company to a $14-15 billion company in 1 year is definitely a great sign. It can be a little concerning because you would expect a giant pullback, but every pullback that we have, we continue to go up, and we are now breaking 52-week highs. So 2025 is going to be very interesting. So I want to know your thoughts and opinions on 2025. Do you think we're going to continue to go up? Do you think we're going to have a massive correction? Or are we on the way to $50? So we have a big year. Hopefully 2025 we have a Neutron launch. If we get a delay in Neutron in any form of fashion, if they delay it, the stock will have a pretty big pullback. But if it is on time and it's successful, I truly think we could hit $40. If we hit $40 before Neutron, I think we could hit $50 when it does launch and success. But on the flip side, if we hit $30 in the stock price before a Neutron launch, Neutron tries to launch and there's a failure, I could see the stock tank down to probably $15 again. It would just be a massive sell-off. It's a double-edged sword. You want to pick up more shares at a cheaper price, but you don't want it to fail. You want your current shares to go up. So a lot of people are just really in the struggle of whether they're going to buy more now or try and wait for a pullback. I have faith in Peter Beck. I think we're going to have a successful launch. I think we're going to launch in 2025. I truly think with all the updates that they're pulling or posting up, that Neutron will be ready. And with Peter Beck in charge, I think it's going to be successful. So if you haven't been paying attention, this is just one example, and a lot of people think that because this was considered a penny stock, so penny stock is $5 or less, or I should say was a penny stock, that it's a scam, you're not going to make any money, it's a fake company. They have consistently launched rockets in 2024, and they're consistently posting updates on their Neutron rocket. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. You can't deny it anymore. There is a ton of short sellers shorting the stock. And when you see an update like this, how could you short this? I mean, this is just amazing. You just see the progress that they're making, and this just equates to money. And it's going to be an interesting time. If Neutron is successful and we don't have to do really any R&D research after Neutron launches, then Rocket Lab should become profitable. So if you're not familiar, you should check out some interviews that Adam Spice and Peter Beck has done. Adam Spice has said that Rocket Lab is profitable without Neutron. So that's kind of a game changer. Going from a negative to a plus should hopefully help the stock price. And honestly, for 2025, I'm expecting Rocket Lab to purchase another company. I think we're going to have a big catalyst before Neutron, and I think the stock price is going to shock a lot of people. So how do you feel about that? Do you think we're going to see a acquisition where they buy another company, or do you think they're going to hold off? They diluted their shares a little while ago and got roughly 500 mil, and they have not bought a company, and they've said that they really raised that money for an acquisition purpose. We still haven't gotten that. So I think that is going to come real soon, and I'm hoping so, because if they buy another company, people are going to pile into the stock more and more, and that's going to drive the price up. So I just wanted to give a quick update on the current price. The 52-week high is $28.80. We hit $28.74. So hopefully we keep going up. And honestly, if we could hit $50 before Neutron, you're going to see a lot of millionaires come to be due to Rocket Lab. So I appreciate you watching. Shout out to everyone that comments and likes the video. I definitely appreciate you. Hopefully this stock keeps going up and we just see some awesome, insane returns. I know I'm up quite a bit and I would love some more money because I definitely need it. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial investments.